Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a giveaway for you guys. I have 2 winners on subscription box products that I get in my subscription boxes. Do you want to know what's all involved? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the last time I went to put some products in my giveaway box, it was so full, I couldn't get them in. So I'm like, okay, it's time to bust the stuff out and do a giveaway. And I was able to break it up into 2 different winners. So we're going to have 2 winners. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of the products in the first set and the second set. If these are products that you would like to get, then definitely I will tell you afterwards on how you can enter into this giveaway. I do my giveaways separately, where I do the ones that I purchase for you guys versus the ones that are from my subscription boxes. Because if you guys do get a lot of subscription boxes like I do, or you get enough that you have some of the items and you might want to pass on this particular giveaway and wait for the ones where I purchase everything myself. But I do separate them. I do put all of the products from boxes in these one giveaways for you guys. So that is this one now. So again, let me go ahead and go over the first items first. I'll go over the second set and then we'll talk about the rules. So for the first one, I'm just gonna go through everything, no rhyme or reason, to show you what's in it. So I tried to kind of separate everything to where they kind of had similar products, definitely kind of the same value, that kind of thing. So the first item for this set is going to be this purse right here. They both actually have one. This is the one for this set. We have this set right here. This is 3 different lipsticks for that. We have this rose water toner. We have 2 different face masks that have rose, because you guys know I love rose. Both of them will have a palette. This one will have this one right here. This is a sculpting palette, Set and Define, and I'll show you what it looks like really quick. So that is what this one looks like right there. It has mattify, set, highlight, contour, dark contour, and a bronzer. So there's that right there. Here's a headband. We have a natural deodorant. We have a Clean Lab AC Dew Foam Cleanser. We have from First Aid Beauty, this is the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. This right here is an oak moss and coconut golden oil. This is like a golden oil shine to make you nice and shimmery. Body oil. We have a chamomile face dabbing, like blotting papers. Blotting. This one does have a makeup eraser. It's not the brand makeup eraser, but it's a different version of a makeup eraser. They both have one. Here's a lip and cheek balm. Here's a single Nomad single eyeshadow. Here's 2 different makeup bags from Ipsy. This is the summer version and this was a few months back. So here's 2 different makeup bags. This right here is an oil block powder gel. This one has this set of earrings, and you could put essential oils on these to get the scent in them, or you could just wear the earrings just as they are. If you're happy and you know it, it's your meds. This is a pill box. This one's gonna have some brushes. It's gonna have some brushes. This one is the Baddington set. There's a brush set, powder and contour. So here's 2 different brushes in this. And if I remember correctly, it was really expensive for that little box. Like, what? Here's a Luxie 524 brush. There is a domed blending Eddie Funkhauser domed blending brush. Here is another brush. And this one also has this one from Ish. You pull it out and it has a little brush down here. So here's another brush. So there's all the brushes. Then there is this from Smartass and Sass. It's the necklace that says "You're Too Close." This one was from Balzano. There's a set of earrings right here. And then there is this necklace. And then the last thing would be you'll get a SheCrafty face mask. So there's everything for the first set. Let me go ahead and get the second one. Okay, so for set number 2, this will be the purse that's in here. So like I said, they're both the same style. So one was for each one. They just look a little different. One has blue pom-pom balls. This one also has 2 different makeup bags that were from Ipsy. This one has this set of like temporary tattoos that you can put on, especially if you're down at the beach. That looks really pretty. Here's 2 different face masks. In this one, there's a rose and a firming one as well. Looks like maybe lavender. This one has this palette. It's the Pure Festival eyeshadow palette. I think this just came from BoxyCharm. That is what this palette looks like. So this one has the eyeshadow palette. The other one has like the contouring face palette. For the brushes for this one does have the $1 Billion Brushes charcoal brush set. This one I believe is a 5-piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's a 5-piece brush set right there. And then this one will have a Luxie 660. So here's the brushes for this set. This one has this right here, which is a form of a makeup eraser by Lauren's Garden. It's just a black makeup eraser. I forgot which box I got this one in, but there's that. So see, they both kind of have that same thing. This one is going to have a slip-on exfoliator to use like when you're in the shower. This one has a little mini wireless speaker. It looks like Toad from Mario Brothers. This one's gonna have a cuticle oil. There's a big old thing of cuticle oil. This one will have an Urban City Kiss and Tension lipstick. This is in the color number 4, which will look like that. Here's this. And then another lip product would be this one right here, which is like a chapstick. This one has Torres on it. If you're not a Torres, you can still get your lips. But if it goes to a Torres, that's even better. This one will have the Tattoo Liner by KVD. This one also has a First Aid Beauty Poreless Be Gone Matte Primer. There's a highlighter and shaping stick. This one will have a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. Here's an Air Cotton Makeup Base. This one has a body lotion, a soothing cream, Nomad single eyeshadow as well. And then this one is going to have the extra XL Lash Volumizer. So there's this. And then the jewelry items for this one is going to be this set right here. It's like a little travel themed bracelet. There's like an airplane and stuff like that. I know we can't travel just yet, but hopefully when everything calms down and you get to travel, you can wear your travel bracelet. Or give it to somebody who does travel. And then there's another item in here. This one is the Jewelry Accessory Company. There's a little card in here, and then that's a necklace, and it looks like that. So it kind of has the same little poofy like the purse. It's not a pom-pom, but it's a little fringy thing. And this one is also going to have a SheCrafty face mask as well. So that is everything for the 2 different sets. Since one has a lot of blue greens and one has a lot more pinks, I'm gonna call this Team Blue and Team Pink, just because that seems like the main color from the 2 different variations. So the Team Blue is gonna be the one I just showed you with the blue little pom-poms and all the other greens and shit, shit like that. And then the Team Pink is going to be the first one that I showed you guys. So if you are interested in either one of these, then these are the rules. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do these giveaways, to show my appreciation back to those that are here, actively, positively here, supporting me on my channel. I like to show my appreciation and give back to you. So number 1, must be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, give this video a big thumbs up and leave 1 comment down below. And in that comment, put Team Pink or Team Blue. And then whatever else you would like to say, but only 1 comment per username with the words Team Pink or Team Blue. One or the other. And you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian, somebody over the age of 18 to enter in for you. So I'm communicating with an adult. And must have a United States address for me to ship them to. I don't care where you live, as long as I am paying for a US shipping address to ship them to. I will have this run for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will use a random comment picker. That word always trips me up. Comment picker, to choose a comment that says one that says Team Pink and one that says Team Blue. As long as you are subscribed to me and you follow the rules, I will then comment back to your comment saying congratulations. You now have 48 hours to respond back to me to claim your prize. If you do not respond back within 48 hours, a new winner will be drawn for whichever set is not claimed, and that new winner will now have 48 hours, so on and so forth, until I get that confirmed win. Down below in the description box we'll have all of the official rules. It'll have the official end date and all of that, and then once this is over, I will say congratulations to Team Blue, congratulations to Team Pink, and I will put whoever won. And next to the name, it'll say has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed. So if it still says has 48 hours to confirm, hold tight. I may have to draw a new winner. The new winner might be you. So that is everything, you guys. Be subscribed, like, comment which one you want, Team Pink or Team Blue. In that comment down below, be over the age of 18 and have a United States address for me to mail them to. That's it. 2 weeks, we'll find out who wins. Congratulations to the winner. Thank you so much for everybody who's entering. I appreciate it. And yeah, so that is everything I have for you guys. We'll see who wins in 2 weeks. Was that 2 and 2? Was that the old dating game? 2 and 2. So that is everything, you guys. Until next time, keep a smile on the gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.